This quadratic inequality. First, I'm going to go ahead and find the roots, which are of the corresponding quadratic equation. And this is another one that I can do by factoring. I'm going to have x plus something, and I'm going to have x minus something. And I know that because I have a negative 10. So I'm going to have a positive and a negative. Now, the factors of 10 are 1 and 10 and 2 and 5. And I need something that is going to add up to 3x. And what would give me that is if I had a positive 5 and a negative 2. Because then I'm going to get minus 2x plus 5x to get 3x. Using the zero product property, I'll have x plus 5 equals 0, or x equals negative 5. X minus 2 equals 0, gives me x equals 2. So I have two roots that I found, and these are x equals negative 5 and x equals 2. So right here and right here. Now, I could find the vertex, and I have been finding it, but you actually don't need it for these. All you need to know is that this is, that the zeros are here, and this graph opens upward. So I'm just going to sketch this out. That this is a parabola that opens upward. And I don't know exactly where the vertex is. That's okay, because I'm honestly not concerned with that. What I am concerned with are these points right here. And I'm looking for values of x where this function would end up being greater than 0. So I'm going to look over here and see that whenever x is less than negative 5, y is greater than 0. Whenever x is greater than 2, y is also positive. I could also use my test point. And again, I use the origin as a test point as long as it's not too close to the boundary. So my test point is 0, 0. And I'm going to use the x value and put it in here and find that 0 squared plus 3 times 0 minus 10 is greater than 0. Let's see if that's true. 0 plus 0 minus 10 is greater than 0. Is negative 10 greater than 0? No. So this test point is not part of the solution set. The solution set is not in here. It's out here, just as I thought. So what this gives me is solution set where x is less than 5, or x less than negative 5, or x is greater than 2. So my solution set are values of x that are less than negative 5 or greater than 2. Okay. So that concludes this section of Educator.com on quadratic inequalities, and I'll see you next lecture.